Hey there, Vangabonders. In an effort for this project to not take the rest of my life, we're going to go ahead and move on along to the part that doesn't require new parts because we already have it sitting outside, which is the roof swap. If you haven't been keeping up with the channel, you wouldn't know, but this roof is shot in many places. It's got actual pinholes. This corner is all jacked up. This part of the gutter is just about gone. The goal is to convert this tin top into a pop top. Got a 1972 pop top, which is the early bay pop top, which matches my body style. I plan on walking you guys through the entire process because I haven't seen many videos that are in depth or even forum posts. Probably because not many people are interested in doing this or do it. But I digress. I'm going to show you how I'm gonna support, brace, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna make it up as I go. For now, I'm taking some measurements and we're gonna go to the metal shop and buy some square tubing. So we're looking at probably another 72 inches. Back here, I'm not too sure yet because I'm cutting down this corner like to here. And this one pretty low too. So maybe just weld across a piece down here to hold this.
What do you want?
So we're here at my second favorite place, Fisher Steel, where they always treat you like a meal and give you the sweetest deal. And we're getting our metal cut. That should hold the bus together as we cut it apart and just cry because it's gonna be scary. So we gotta get the wheel back on because, well, you know, can't do this with the van all twisted, I guess. I don't know. I'm making this up as I go. Makes for good entertainment. Don't want to weld it too much because I gotta take it off at some point. Is that gonna hold? Maybe.
Looks like it.
Beautiful. Mustache bar. Mustache bar. Pretty freaking sweet, man. Just in case I cut something wrong, this will keep the measurement of the window. Guess that'll work. It's support for the right correct height. I'm making all this up, so please don't judge me in the comments too harshly. Nice.
Love the wire.
I left that in there for character. Has enough room to wiggle a little bit, which is good. Don't want it to be pushing this up, but it's good to just, when we sit the other roof on top, it should, you know, keep the door spacing correct so the door closes. That's my biggest worry. I haven't seen people's solution to this. This is my solution. Look how stupid it looks. People are gonna make fun of me.
No, they're not, baby.
Alright, now you gotta come back here.
Christ! This is the dumbest idea.
Exact measurement for that that one, or to transpose to that one?
Yeah. This is a special homemade measuring tool that doesn't really work very well. But I can't complain. It was great. That changes quite significantly. I know, but what I plan on doing is, if I can measure here down to here the same distance, I can just throw a string and you're able to do it. So what we're doing here is trying to make sure we transfer the same exact measurements from this roof to that roof. Because if we mess something up, essentially the bus is ruined. All right, the first cut. You can't uncut, you can only cut. Try to start with the angle grinder and then swap to that thing because I'm losing my mind.
All right, as you can see, Christian has marked where to cut. I've already got these puppies cut. Anyway, come here. As you can see, we have marked Tangy where we're gonna cut her. He's gotta be precise.
Per spice.
Precise, or else, like you said, we will be very upset, but we're not gonna give up. We're not gonna give up. Where these are, he's gonna be gone. Hey! It's been a minute. How are you?
Good, how are you? Good to see you.
Oh my god.
Good to see all the
Pop that.
Never seen a pop. Oh, very nice. Oh, I like that. Yeah, and they can stand up in there.
So Russ has come after 5 years. He has
I
risen.
heard you needed help with a pop top.
It's life and death. Yeah. So I'm gonna make the first cut. Let's do it. No going back now. Should I double check his measurement or just fucking cut it?
Check it.
Okay. Can I cut that way? I have to. We got 3 more cuts and then she will be circumcised. Wait. Yeah, your set's free.
Oh, a little. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, God, thank you. All right, let me go on that side, I'll go on this side. Oh, boy. My window support's gone. YouTube channel too. Just check it out.
Here we go.
That's
Yes,
yeah.
there we go.
If you guys want to see what this roof looks like when it's finished, even though it might not ever happen, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and wish us good luck. See, we got this window, it fits. Boo-boo.